What's up everybody, this is Robin. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because I bought a drone which is DJI Avata 2. This is a faster drone than any other DJI typical drone, so I'm super excited to fly this drone. I have no experience flying a drone, so this seems pretty good drone for beginner, so I will try to fly this drone in Half Moon Bay. So we'll see how it will work. Let's see guys, let's go. So I'm here in beautiful location to fly this drone. Actually it's pretty chill day. Let's try this masterpiece here in beautiful place behind me. So when you buy DJI Avatar, so these bags also come along with the drone. So with the, I'll show you like what else it come with if you buy the combo. So I got three battery and the drone itself, look at this masterpiece, is very beautiful. This is like lightweight drone, and it can take 4K 60 FPS footage, so and that's all you need for content creation actually. And so perfect drone. And I have FPV goggles where you can see through it, so this is pretty cool. This thing makes really easy to fly this drone. They actually did a really good job, so yeah, I like this thing very much. So yeah, these are the thing. So now let's fly. I'm gonna go some other locations to fly this drone because this location is very beautiful. So we have like a lot of very beautiful location in around Half Moon Bay, so I'm gonna go somewhere else and fly this drone because I'm having super fun flying this drone, honestly. So and it is very easy to fly this drone with this fucking motion controller. So love this drone so much. So I'm stopping here, beautiful locations. Like there you can see the lake. I think this is reservoir or something. I don't exactly know what it is, but it is something. So I'm gonna be flying over this lake. So it's gonna be fun. As a beginner, flying this drone is quite challenging, but even though I had no prior experience, I was able to fly this drone pretty nicely, because it can take a video 4K 60 FPS and it can take a photos also. They are killing with the camera quality, and it is very nice drone. And as a beginner, content creation is little pricey, but once you buy this drone you don't have to invest anymore because it can do pretty much everything. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this drone. If you guys wanna buy this drone, I will put the link in the description where you can pick up the drone. It was like $900 drone with the combo, which include 3 batteries, motion controller, and FPV goggles, and drone itself. So I think it's pretty nice deal. So yeah, overall it was very nice day. It was very fun flying this drone.